It's been a long process for all the families involved, and I think finally reaching a sentencing point is good for everybody. The sentence imposed is within the range, and it's something that my office will have to discuss whether or not we'll appeal. I was really impressed that the judge put together the financial motive, that he put together the will and the discussion of the will in the iPod recording. I thought that he did put that together very well. That's the hope, and that's part of the reason for the sentences being as high as they are in cases like this, for general denunciation and deterrence, and to put it out that despite how unhappy your marriage is, it's not okay to plan to kill your spouse. The conspiracy charge is not common at all. Aaron Fox referred to a case from 20 years ago that he did out of Yorkton in Saskatchewan, but I wasn't able to find any reported cases in Saskatchewan. There were similar cases in Ontario and British Columbia, and there's been a few in Nova Scotia, but there's not a lot here. We sought the 6-year sentence because we reviewed a number of cases with similar facts of the families where it's a domestic situation where its spouse is planning to kill another spouse. The sentencing range in the cases was 3.5 years to about 7 years, and we reached 6 because there were 2 victims here, and there was a significant impact on the families. You've all had a chance to hear Bridget Vey and read her victim impact statement today. It's clear that this has torn her whole family apart. This is someone that she's loved and been married to, and the same thing for Jim Taylor. This is a spouse that he was with for 20 plus years, and both of them have adult children, and I can't imagine what they're going through now because one parent's incarcerated and the other one is still alive. More than 1 in 5 people who has a solved homicide is killed by their spouse or intimate partner, and Saskatchewan has the highest rate of domestic violence in Canada, and that's part of the reason we asked for a sentence of 6 years in this case, because we want to show that despite it being prevalent, it's not okay, and there should be general denunciation and deterrence toward that.